This video is for anyone who is looking for the cheapest hostinger deal right now to buy hosting for them. So what you have to do is you have to click on the link in the description, which is like this. Once you click on that link, you will be entitled to amazing offers like this. You can see over here $2.99 special deal over here, and I'm going to give you a coupon code as well, which can give you further discount. So you have to stay with me, and you can see over here Trustpilot reviews and every reviews over here, and you can see the premium web hosting at 2.99, business web hosting 3.99, and you can see the deals over here. So what you have to do is you have to go to hosting over here, and you have to see the web hosting over here, and once you click over here, you can see there are three plans: single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting. While the single web hosting saves you the most at 80% off, but the premium web hosting is better. Also, it saves 75% off, but you're getting 2 months free plus a free domain here, and you have an option to host 100 websites in this plan. You also have weekly backups, and you also have the option of unlimited free email IDs to use, and all of the plans have malware scanner, Cloudflare, protected name servers with Hostinger, and the best of all about Hostinger is that they have 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, and 99.9% uptime guarantee. Been using it for years and I'm personally satisfied, which is why I'm recommending them, and you are recommending them. And you can see that they offer several locations in the USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and Netherlands. So what you have to do is, let's say you are going with this plan. So because I'm going to tell you the cheapest deal, so stay with me. Once you click on the add to cart, make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal. And once you click on add to cart over here, you will be entitled to a page like this. You can see a summary of their plan. You can see what you are getting over here, and for any issues you can buy with confidence because it has a 30 days money back guarantee. You can see that I'm running over here. So 48 months save you the most with $2.99 and for 2 months free, but I'm going to tell you an amazing coupon code which can give you further discount. So you can see if you do not have an account right now with Hostinger, what you have to do is you have to add your email address over here or synchronize with your Facebook or Google account. And once you do it, you have an option of selecting a payment method. You can pay via credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So because Hostinger is offering multiple payment methods to choose while paying for your bill. So once you select your preferred payment method, come over here. And because you clicked on that link, you can see that an already amazing $432 are being saved right now. So what I'm going to tell you is an additional coupon code. So select, I have a coupon code over here and write this coupon code. You can also find this coupon code in the description of this video and press this apply button. So you can see that the price got a further reduction over here and a further discount. So from $143 to ever lower to $129. So don't forget to miss this amazing deal. So make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.